In this video, I want to make it to where when we go down, our max health is reduced from 100 to 25. So that way, whenever we are revived, it's just going to go right back to 100 and we're good to go. We have some level of regeneration. So when we're revived, it's just not immediately at full health. So similar to, I believe, how the actual game works. I'm not 100% sure. It might be 50, something like that. I haven't thoroughly tested to see. But the way we're going to do this is in our GE downed. So this gameplay effect is applied when we go down, and right now it's just, giving us the downed tag, giving us some abilities to activate, that kind of thing. So in our case, we want to add a modifier to the max health. So this is going to be set to override because we want to override it to a specific value. And then we can override it to, let's just do 50. So that'll be kind of, I guess, where we start. And yeah, we can give it a try. I am playing in the wrong viewport. There we go. Okay, so if I go ahead and go down, you can see my health is 100 and max health is also 100. When I go down, it has been reduced to 50. And then when I revive, you can see it went from 50 right back up to 100. So it allowed our health to regenerate back up. So the whole time we were down, the health started at 0, regenerated back up to 50. Once we were revived, our max health got bumped back to 100 because the effect was removed, and then our health regenerated back up to match it at 100. So that's all I really just wanted to do here to get that kind of implemented and out of the way, because it was just a very simple implementation. It kind of shows you, depending on how you set your project up with gas, you can do things very, very easily without having to touch code. So I will see you in the next one. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.